Okay, me and Gage are on his motorbike, and we're about to enter traffic in Saigon. Maybe we'll see some babies on motorbikes. Here we go, with cars. We are, shit, so scary. Oh, there's a baby. Now there's no kids on motorbikes. There's a baby on a motorbike. Can we see some kids? There's a baby, a little baby right there on a motorbike. Babies, look, here comes some right here. There's that baby right there. That's not him, another one. Right there, there's going to be a baby on a motorbike. Baby, right there. So crazy. One-handed. So crazy. There's another baby. It looks like a sick baby on the There's Gage's building. Okay. Well, we got a few babies on motorbikes. There's a Saigon Pearl. There's a Saigon Daycare Center.
Dad go? Is that him? Oh, there's Dad.
There's Dad. We lived, we survived, and we saw babies on motorbikes, which is my goal in life. There's Gage's building.